Hey, welcome back. So in this video, we are going to look at how you can create auto sequence messages. So we have looked at the broadcast messages and the scheduled messages, but now it's time for the auto sequence messages. So go to promotional tools and then into auto sequence. Let's create a new auto sequence. So let me first explain what the auto sequence is. So auto sequence is basically a sequence of messages that you want to send with a particular time difference to your users after they perform a particular action in your chatbot. So let's say after they initiated a conversation with the chatbot, or after they last conversated. So maybe like after 5 minutes of the last conversation, after they left a particular conversational form in the middle, or after user added to a particular segment. So I'm going to choose after user added to a particular segment. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to select the user segment of female. So what is that I will be sending the series of messages once the user is added to a female user's segment. And remember that we had created one story which is I am female, and it sets the user attributes of the user gender as female, and based on this attribute we are creating our female segment. So I'm going to add my first message after 5 minutes because that is the minimum time delay I can have in order to start the auto sequence messages. And my text message is going to be, hey, here are some items that you might like because you're a female. And remember that I could have sent the stories or media block as well beside the text message. So now I have my first auto sequence message created. I will go in my chatbot and type I am female. And because this story sets the user attribute of gender as female, I'm going to go into my users list and check out whether the user attribute has been set as female. Yes, it has. And then I'm going to check out whether my user is now in the female users segment. I will choose the filter from the top, and that filters my user. So this is the guarantee that the message sequence will start sending to my user after 5 minutes. So let's just wait a little bit for that.